Hey guys, Dan from NFI Empire introducing a new inventory item here on consignment. This is our 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix, and it is finished in a nice bright red with white accents and a white interior. Totally awesome car. Gotta check this thing out. The Grand Prix has a really nice stance. The best thing about this car is the way it rides. Pontiac was known for additional features that the normal GM counterparts did not have. That ride, but the sportiness that comes along with it really extends the whole idea of owning a Pontiac Grand Prix. Under the hood, you're not going to find a 4-cylinder or a V6 like in modern cars. This is a 350 V8 under there. And with that comes coupled with an automatic transmission. Really gives you a lot of great power and efficiency for down the road. At the tail end of this car, a lot different than obviously the Monte Carlos and all the other GM two-door coupes that were out there. The body lines were extra special, even mimicking that rear glass there, which has that V-form that follows its way all the way down the center of the vehicle. In the interior of this car, it's extremely comfortable. First, you've got that white accented interior to it. You've got, when you're looking at the windshield, you see this big long hood with that center medallion that says GP for Grand Prix there. Just lets you know what you're driving. The ride on it is amazing. You've got the simulated wood interior. It is so much of this era. This is when I grew up. I grew up in the back of cars just like this, and it just adds so much character to life and just really makes you want to go out for a Sunday drive. This car gives a really unique opportunity for somebody to get into a cool vintage V8 muscle car. It's not going to be here for long, so in its driver condition, I'm sure it's going to be going really fast. Call us 814-746-4213 or nfiempire.com.